So next we're going to show you how to charge this smartwatch. They come up with a nice charger here, a nice USB port, and this magnetic strip that goes on the back of the smartwatch. It's very unique. So what we do is we flip the watch over, and do you notice these little magnetic points on the bottom? That is what charges it. So what we do is we take this and check this out. See how it just quickly just went right in? The magnet connects this port to the watch, so you want to make sure it's properly placed on those two dots for the magnet. That's when you know it's going to charge properly. Now in the US port, so right now we'll take this out here so you can see the US port. USB port, there's a few options. If you have a little battery pack, you can easily just put it in right there. You could use this, but if you have a wall mount that has a USB, that's also a perfect option too. So be sure to plug this in correctly. Now we're going to flip this over one more time. And see that? It lit up here, and then it also lit up here. So keep in mind, when you flip it, the magnet can fall out. So just keep in mind, you want to make sure it's super secure first. Okay? And then just gently hold the bottom while you flip it over so it stays. See how it's connecting right now? You'll see the percentage that it's loaded. We have 94% right now, so we know it's fully charged. So always be sure to take care of this, and always be sure to charge your smartwatch at all times. But I want to give you a quick tip as well too. If you notice that the connectivity is not strong when you have this plugged in, what I want you to do is clean the smartwatch, the front and the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these Clorox wipes. Very important. Just take one of these out. And what I want you to do, this is a good way to always just clean your smartwatch, right? The front end. But most importantly, for the charging aspect, we're going to clean the back end of it to make sure there's no debris. Everything is smooth here. We also want to clean the back of this, because this is a magnet. If there's any debris, that's why it's not going to charge properly. So if you have any connective issues, make sure you clean it properly and then plug it in with the magnet. Boom. You can see it lit up here for our box, and I just felt the buzz, right? You can feel the buzz on here, the vibration. That's when you know it is charging. If you don't feel a buzz or hear that noise, it is not charging properly. So keep that in mind. Just felt it one more time. So I'm holding the back. Keep that in mind at all times. And there you go. Be sure to charge this every single day, because so you can utilize it, so you can get optimized for your health and your wellness.